spooky season calls for some new Halloween stationery and making a cute spread in my journal. Hey fam, it's ICF IC Studio and I am very excited to unbox these Halloween goodies from Archer and Olive. So every year they seem to outdo themselves in terms of their spooky releases, and I think my expectations will be exceeded yet again today. So first things first, I love the cute packing tape. So some things are just too cute to throw away, so I'm keeping this aside. I think only junk journal girls will understand. Type same in all caps in the comments if you do this too. So anyway, here is a preview of the stuff that I got. So I got a tote bag, a few sticker sheets, a stamp set, washi tapes, and an ink pad. Just look at all the beautiful packaging. I don't think I'll be able to throw any of these away. So let's start off with a tote bag. So ever since Archer and Olive released tote bags, I have been getting one every time. So I mainly use them to carry books or my journaling stuff or both. They're very spacious. You can fit many books or journals in them, which is why I love the tote bags. Up next are these alphabet sticker sheets. So not so fun fact, I missed out on these last year, so to make up for that, I felt the need to get two this time. I absolutely love the monochrome because it goes well with any color scheme. I also love how there is a selection of fonts which I can see myself playing around with. I should have gotten another set because I feel like I'm going to use these a lot. So which do you prefer, alphabet stickers or alphabet stamps? I know I like both, but right now I'm so obsessed with these alphabet stickers. And next, how could I possibly pass up on a celestial holographic sticker set? I love anything metallic and holographic, so I knew I had to get this. This looks so beautiful on black paper, and I'm very excited to see what it looks like on my pink page journal. So before I open this, can we just take a moment to appreciate this gorgeous packaging? So this one is an acrylic stamp set, and look at all the beautiful designs. My personal favorite is the tarot card border. And of course, I had to get the purple stamp pad. I think it would look really cute on my pink journal, which I will test out later. And of course, I had to get some washi tapes. Since my October journal theme was spooky cute, this set is absolutely perfect. So now that the unboxing is done, it is time to test them out and make a spread. So if you haven't yet, check out my spooky cute October bullet journal setup. I didn't really have anything in mind or anything planned. I thought of doing a swatch page, but I have decided last minute to make a journal spread called Things to Ghost. So anyway, I am just cutting out the packaging tape and I will be using these cuties as the main background of the spread. So again, I didn't really have a plan on where to stick them. I just went with how I felt, and there's no right or wrong way when it comes to creating. And for the page title, I will be using the alphabet stickers. I should have planned this out better, but I'm still happy with how it all turned out. So not the most perfect and the most symmetrical letter positioning, but still okay. So up next, let's use these acrylic stamps. I don't really use these kinds of stamps, but here we are. You'll see me trying to figure out and practice where to position the stamp. Not really sure of what I'm doing, but let's go. Okay, so I think that turned out okay. So do you use acrylic stamps? Am I doing this wrong? Please let me know in the comments. Alright, so now let's add some washi tape. So I absolutely love the designs on these. I love the holographic moons on the purple pastel. I think it matches my notebook so well. And I absolutely love the cute ghosts on the pink background. I think it all meshes well together. So now let's add some of these beautiful holographic stickers to fill in the blank spaces. So sometimes I like cutting stickers so they fit into the little spaces I want them to go into. I know they're so pretty, but then again, I want to use every single part of the sticker, so I don't throw any of the parts that I cut. Please let me know if this is something that you do too, so I don't feel alone. So here is my Things to Ghost page from my Archer and Olive Halloween stationery haul. So in these little tarot frames, I will be writing the things that I will ghost this month. So I think the first thing I will try to ghost is doom scrolling. So what about you? What are the things that you will be ghosting? So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Leave a bat emoji in the comments. Thanks again and have an amazing spooky season.